This is to technically commission Orom water scheme, and with us here we have the Member of Parliament for Chua, the Woman Member of Parliament for Kitgum, RDC Chairman keeping this seat. Okay.
What's happening here is that for many years this area of Orom has been suffering from deficit of clean water for human consumption, and we have been asking the government for many years to exploit the water resources here to make sure water reaches to people. I'm glad that the government of Uganda, through the Minister of Water, finally, when the PS Okidi came in, has found money enough to put water pumps and water stations to ensure that all the villages in this area will have clean access to water, because water will not only be at one source, but water will be taken to their homes through pipes, and they'll be able to turn the tap on and the water will be at their home immediately. So, henceforth, immediately, what's going to happen is that what's happened today is they're commissioning. The Ministry of Water has finished its work through the contractor to build this project. It's now handing it over to the company that will be managing this water project for the next several years. So it's being handed over to a company which is supposed to be managing this project. So people here will now have access to clean water, usable water for human consumption. This will reduce on waterborne disease. This will reduce on children falling sick, and it will keep our community healthy. And more importantly, women, our mothers and sisters do not have to travel long distances to collect any water anymore. One thing for sure, I've been told that in this area, every household in this area will be able to have direct taps to their homes.
Ladies and gentlemen, and Honorable Minister, access to clean water is a fundamental human right. And I'm very happy that the Ministry of Water is walking the talk. Thank you very much, PS, for this great achievement. I also want to extend my gratitude to the government of Uganda. Indeed, such projects take a lot of money, and people demand for it all over the country. But considering Orom and Kitgum district among the key priority areas, I am very happy. And I would still again call for more need to consider Kitgum as one of the priority list, Mr. PS. Kitgum district is a very big district, and it's true that we don't have enough access to water. Orom now has got 3 sub-counties. Orom Main, there's also Orom East and Orom and Kiteng. So we need to see how to cover all these areas of Orom. We have started, but we can't do everything at once. But as we are trying to do, we look at the critical mass. We can put our hands in all the 3 sub-counties and see how to make the lives of our people better. Everyone's concern after the project is done is the durability, the quality. How long will this thing take? I want to believe that all the equipment we have used, all the money we have invested, will indeed take us through a long duration. I want to put my trust in the technical team and the contractors. My greatest fear in every government project is how long will it take? If we have put this machine, the demonstration has been done, it looks very nice, how long will it take? Is what we keep on asking. So I want to believe that it will take us quite a good time, and we'll be happy to see this. The local content issue is something I'm very passionate about. I am happy that the contractors were using our local people to do most of the work. This is a plus, and we must continue doing that. Sometimes when you give projects to people, we ferry everyone from across. In Kitgum district, we don't want to see that. Whenever we have projects, especially under Ministry of Water, we want to see our people being supported.
Government, as a duty bearer, has shown responsibility in executing this program. On our part, as rights holders, we shall continue to demand from government and PS whenever we shall continue to demand in whatever form, please consider us the way we have done this time. As I shared with you this morning, today as we are carrying out the commissioning of this project, there is going to be a system of umbrella body to continue with the management. I shared with you this morning that as you deploy this staff, you should consider that you bring on board friendly staff who can relate well with the community. This staff should be able to sensitize the community about the tariffs involved in this project. Reading of meters, billing, and methods of payment. This staff should be able to avoid harassment of the community. They should work in harmonious relationship.
You can hand over to the minister.
Thank you.
The minister you hand over to the district, and the district you hand over to umbrella. Okay?
Thank you. The umbrella, all this, manage.